Hi guys, welcome back to another weekly couple days in my life vlog. If you guys are not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. So I actually just decided that I'm going to make 2 separate vlogs for when I'm home. So I just ended my first vlog and I'm going to post that Friday, and then I'm going to film this vlog until I leave Sunday, and then I'll probably have that posted by like Tuesday probably, or maybe Friday, I don't know, but it'll be up. Anyways, I think today we're going to be going to lunch again. We've been eating so much food, it's ridiculous. And then after, we're probably going to do a little bit of shopping for some clothes and jewelry and all that good stuff. I'm actually going to show you guys where I get all my jewelry, and I get so many questions about that, so hopefully you guys will be happy about that. And yeah, let me show you guys my outfit before I go actually. Here's the OOTD. So this dress is from Brandy Melville. I have not worn it in so long just because Indiana's obviously freezing cold. But it's so cute and so darling. I love it. And I'm just wearing white Supergas, and that's my outfit. Oh, and let me show you guys where my jewelry is from. This necklace is from RUMI. It's my new favorite. I just got it. And then I also just got this one. It's from 14 Karat. We're gonna be going there today, so you guys will see that. So let's go to lunch and I will see you guys there. A little bit of lip gloss. Guys, these are the best fries of all time. You guys have to try this. Yeah. I get this drink every time I come here. It's the vanilla coffee iced blended. It's so fire. I just swallow it fast. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Yes.
Oh, thank you.
This looks so good. I'm actually so full right now. Oh my god. Help. Who I'm with? My husband.
Got a ball out on Rodeo. Drop a band.
Guys, this store is so sick. Alex, out of my vlog.
Bye vlog.
You doing okay?
We're going to Blake's favorite store right now. Okay, let's get one of these. I think I'm gonna grab one of these because I'm running out. They're literally my favorite.
There you go.
Perfect, thank you. Hi guys, so we're currently on our way home right now, but we just did a bunch of shopping. I tried bringing you guys into 14 Karat with me, but turns out there's no filming allowed, so I couldn't do that. But that's the place where I get all my jewelry, like my rings and everything. It's 14 Karat in Beverly Hills, so if you guys want to check that out, that's where. Anyways, we're on our way back home right now, so I think I'm gonna just talk to you guys then. Hi guys, so I'm currently in the car right now. I'm on my way to a hair appointment. I think I'm gonna get like a little trim and maybe a blow dry. My hair is so unhealthy right now, it's literally dead. So I actually wasn't feeling well at all this morning. I haven't been feeling well since I've been home, honestly. So I went back to the doctor's this morning. I gave blood and that whole thing. But anyways, let's go to my hair appointment and I will talk to you guys there. Here's the final product. Looks so good. So shiny. You guys are the best.
Thank you. I love.
Okay, we're picking up some lunch right now. This is like my favorite deli of all time because they have the best wraps. This tea is also the best. Oh, I'm so excited. This is where we are, by the way. Look how good. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna go eat this. Bye. Okay, I remembered my vlog camera. We're currently at Nova right now for dinner. We're all taking photos. So pretty cute, even from Walmart. We're doing like a little mom-daughter dinner thing before we all leave for Indiana. This is the cover of the video. There we go.
I think it needs to be just him.
Yes. Look how beautiful it is.
Come on, they're fine.
Why does it look like a prom
I was
photo?
adjusting it.
You guys look like you're going to prom. So excited. Soap's first time at Nobu. He's looking at all the constellations right now. Oh, actually, it's kind of cool. It is retrograde. It's retrograde, Jaja. So I gave blood again this morning. So I woke up really early, went to the doctor, gave blood to get more results. But I'm feeling much better, so that's good. We're gonna go to Malibu today and just have a little beach day and probably just walk around there and hang out. I think I'm gonna make a little bit of breakfast before I go, just because I'm really hungry. So let's go do that, and yeah. My brother has a bunch of friends sleeping over right now, so my mom got everyone bagels, which is really cute. Shout out to my mom. But she got green bagels for Happy St. Patty's Day. These are so cute. Also, Happy St. Patty's Day, everyone. I'm pretty much a top chef. Here we got the beach bag packed. Let's go. Okay, we're on our way, but we have to stop for a fruit cup.
This is just comedy.
Oh my gosh. Bye. Guys, these sweats are so cute. They say, sun your buns in Malibu. I think it's so cute. I'm getting them. Okay, so we just had to pull over because we found these flower fields, and every year I always see everyone take photos with them and it looks insane, so I want to take a picture. It's so beautiful, but so extra at the same time. We out here. Hello everyone, what is up? I think the last time I vlogged was when I was in Malibu, something like that. But anyways, it is obviously a new day today. I'm in the car right now. I'm about to head to lunch. It's around like 12:30 right now. I have a couple errands that I need to run today. Main goal for today is that I need to get my nails done, just because they're horrible. It's actually pretty much all I need to do today. I also really need to get lunch because I'm so hungry right now. So on camera, it actually looks really bad, but I swear it's so good. It's the turkey plate at Patty's. This is obviously turkey, and then stuffing, and then string beans. All of these change colors. This is so cool. This is how my nails turned out. They look so good. I did the polishes that change colors, and I'm obsessed. There'll be a picture on the screen right here of the nail polish I used, in case you guys want to know. So they're supposed to change colors when it's like cold. Wait, no. Nothing. Okay, well, they do, and I'll show you guys when they do. Update coming soon. I think we're gonna head over to Whole Foods right now just to get some groceries and possibly get some food to bring back home with me to Indiana. So that's my little update, and I will see you guys there. Okay, here's the update. This is what they look like when they're changing. So it's like a darker gray, and then the light blue. This is literally like the fruit stands because they put the seasoning on. Oh my gosh, we're getting this. Oh, and pomegranate seeds. These are my favorite. You can apparently make your own peanut butter. This is kind of cool.
So you either have roasted peanut
Which one
butter?
do you usually do?
I usually do the sweeter.
This is so cool.
Looks a little nasty.
Yeah, that actually looks really gross.
But it's amazing.
I'm sure it tastes good.
Okay, here we go.
Natural peanut butter. Also, these are my absolute favorite go-to healthy snack. They're just sliced dried mangoes. They're the best. Gonna get 3. So I just got home and look what came in the mail. It's my 100,000 subscriber plaque. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Hold on, I want to sit down and talk to you guys about this. Okay, hi guys. I wanted to sit down with you guys because I feel like I never really sat down and thanked you guys for 100,000 subscribers. If anyone told me when I first started my YouTube channel that I would hit 100K, I would have told them, like, no way. I always used to sit in my room. I actually have a video of it, I think. But I would sit in my room on my computer and I would go to the YouTube live subscriber count and I would type in my account name and it would like start at a really high number and then it would go down to like 3K. It's just crazy to me that I've hit like one of my biggest goals on YouTube. I also would have never thought that everything would happen the way it is. I went to college with 20K. I think it was 20K. Maybe it was like almost 30. But I posted my dorm room move-in vlog and it just blew up. And then over time it went from 30 to 40 to 50 to 60. And then it just like kept growing and growing within like weeks of being at college. And then here we are at 100. But I just want to sit down and thank you guys, because I literally couldn't do it without you. And the fact that you guys watch my videos, you like my videos, you comment on my videos, such sweet things, minus a couple things. But just the fact that you guys are interested in seeing my life and seeing my life at college is just the most incredible thing. So I love you guys and thank you, because I couldn't do anything without you guys. I'm just so happy. I also want to say that if you have a YouTube channel and you think you're growing incredibly slow, just know that I was growing slower. And just keep going, because I know how hard it is seeing everyone else on YouTube just grow and so fast, and it's worth it, because I remember when I would get like 5 comments and I remember exactly who they are, and whenever I see a comment from them now on like a new video, I get so happy because I'm like, you were there since the beginning. So I'm just trying to say, if you're new to YouTube or you just made a YouTube channel, just do what you love, and it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have at the end of the day, because even if you have like 10 people watching, it's the best 10 people. And yeah. But anyways, I love you guys, and on that note, I think I'm going to end this video off here. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. I love you guys so, so, so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. We're just trying to get that content. How long did it take you to come up with this outfit?
Oh my god, fuck off.
Oh, it fell out. Shit.
There you go. Unreal. She's gonna pee your pants. If these don't make bloopers, I don't know what will.